Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at some of Samsung's official case range for their S10e. If you'd like to enable subtitles on this video, we do have them available for the region seen here. Just simply select your region from the settings below. Starting off with the protective stand cover, this comes in blue and silver. The textured surface definitely adds a sense of style for the S10e while also improving grip. As expected, Samsung have left space for the fingerprint reader on the side, as well as integrating a raised lip to prevent screen scratches. The back features two pop-out stands that can offer the optimal viewing angle for media viewing. These just push back in, fitting in well with the design. A great option for S10e users, this is sure to protect the handset from the bumps and knocks of day-to-day life. Taking a look now at the genuine leather cover, this is a very minimalistic option. Available in a variety of colours such as red, green, grey and black, this stops bumps and scratches from blemishing the S10e. The genuine leather finish adds an executive look to the phone, making it perfect for all social settings. I really like how simplistic this case is. It may not offer rugged protection, but it's definitely a solid option for maintaining the stunning design of the S10e. Moving on now to the LED view cover, this is available in black and white. Featuring an internal card slot and a smart LED display on the front, this is certainly the perfect option for the S10e. The cover provides full front and back protection to the handset, keeping it in pristine condition. As seen previously from Samsung, the LEDs alert you of any notifications and even allow you to accept and decline calls. This is subtly integrated into the design and is only visible when triggered by notifications. The material adds a very premium look and feel, making the S10e look classy no matter where you go. Up next we have the Silicone Case. Samsung have released this in a variety of colours such as green, blue, yellow and black. This is a fine choice for the S10e as it not only protects from bumps and scratches, it's also incredibly thin, allowing you to use the phone exactly how Samsung intended. While the silicone does give the phone a smooth and premium feel, it can become covered in dust and dirt very easily, and for this reason I would steer away from the lighter colours. Protection wise, this case is okay, however as it has such a slim and lightweight design, I do feel that it wouldn't be the best option for more harsh drops and bangs. Certainly a good option for those wanting less bulk from their case while protecting their S10e from general day-to-day use. Up next we have the clear view cover. A stylish and sophisticated option, this allows you to stay up to date with notifications as well as answer calls, which is definitely a useful feature in my opinion. This offers full front and back protection to the S10e, giving the peace of mind that your handset is safe from drops and bumps. Designed to be incredibly slim, this is the perfect addition to the S10e and doesn't get in the way of any of the phone's features. I did find this cover can be a fingerprint magnet, which may be annoying to some. However, if you're looking for great protection with a smart design, this is a solid option. That's all we have for our look into the official range from Samsung for the S10e. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase an official case for the S10e, I'll leave links in the description and comments of this video.